Protective styling is a great way for you to achieve your hair goals if it is done the right way. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick and effective protective styling maintenance routine that has helped me to retain so much length in my hair growth journey while I do protective styling. So this video is going to help you if you've been doing protective styling before and you've not been seeing any significant results in your hair growth journey. Then using this maintenance routine while you're in a protective style, doing these little things that I'm going to show you now may help you to retain the more length and to grow healthier and longer hair. So the first thing I do when I'm in a protective style is that I make sure that this style is, my hair is stays moisturized while I'm in this protective style. So the worst thing you want to do to your hair is let your hair go dry. That is something you don't want to happen on your hair. So usually many people, when they put their hair in a protective style, they just forget their hair. They say, my hair is it's protected, so I don't need to do anything about it. But that is very wrong. When you are in a protective style, your hair should still be cared for so that it remains protected. And the first thing you want to do is to moisturize your hair. That is what I do in my protective style. I make sure I moisturize. And what do I use to moisturize my hair? It depends on my mood and the time I have available. So generally, I moisturize my hair most of the times with a leave-in conditioner. I have a leave-in conditioner that I use to moisturize my hair. I apply it on my hair, the hair strands, the new growth, and then since my hair is in a, I usually do protective styles most of the time with my own hair. But even if it is with hair extensions, you could still moisturize. So I apply that on from the roots. As you see, I have new growth. I apply the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, from the roots to the ends, and then sometimes I also use aloe vera gel. I have a video I recently uploaded on how I prepare aloe vera gel, which I use to grow my hair. So if you want to watch that video, go ahead and watch it. Then you can see how I prepare this aloe vera gel. Sometimes I don't use my leave-in conditioner. I prepare aloe vera gel, which I apply on my hair as I've shown you. And then other times I go, if I'm not in the mood of preparing aloe vera gel, or if I don't have my leave-in conditioner, then I use just water. So know that moisturize is water. You moisturize with water. So all those products, even aloe vera gel, aloe vera is packed with water. And the leave-in conditioners, the first ingredients usually is water. So what your hair needs is water. So if you don't have any conditioner, no aloe vera gel, you could just spray water on your hair. Just let it be moist. And then the next thing after moisturizing your hair, you need to seal it with an oil or a butter. You need a sealant, something that will keep this moisture in your hair for long, because if you don't add a sealant, you will find out that after a few minutes your hair will just be dry and it will really be prone to breakage. So you don't want that. That's why after applying the moisture, the next thing you need to do is to seal that moisture. And usually I seal the moisture with an oil, because in a protective style especially, I don't want my hair to get product build up, to be way down. So I use light oils to moisturize my hair, and the oils that I use are avocado oil and coconut oil. For the coconut oil, I mostly use it toward the end of my protective style. When I'm getting ready to wash it, that is when I use coconut oil, because coconut oil at the beginning usually for me tends to look like it's too heavy for my hair. But towards the end of my protective style, I use it a lot, because coconut oil has a lot of benefit for the hair, especially when your hair is a little bit weak. So I feel that since I've not wash my hair and moisture, and I've not washed my hair for long, or I've not deep conditioned it, so coconut oil has a strengthening property. So I use it towards the end of my protective style when my hair is already getting like old, that I start applying coconut oil a lot on the protective style, and my hair loves that, and it prepares it for the wash day. So those are things that I use to seal the moisture. But you can also use butters. Sometimes it depends. I can use a mixture of the oils with the butters. I prepare a kind of concoction with it, which is good for the hair. I use butters like shea butter or cocoa butter, cacao butter. Yeah, so I mix them with these oils and then I apply them to the hair. So they are really good to seal in the moisture, but you don't need a lot. Please be light with the oils and the butters on your hair. If not, they're going to saturate your hair, and your hair will not be able to breathe and will not benefit much from your your sealant. So it's just to seal the moisture. You need just a little bit of oil or a little bit of butter to rub on your palm and just seal the moisture on your hair. So those are the two things I do mostly when I'm in a protective style. I moisturize the hair regularly, and I seal the moisture with an oil and butter. Regularly I do that. And then the last thing I do is scalp massage. When I'm in a protective style, I massage my scalp regularly 2 or 3 times a week. This helps blood circulating on the scalp, and it promotes hair growth. So if you want to learn about the benefits of scalp massaging, I have a video on this channel talking about scalp massaging, aloe vera gel, how to prepare it, how to moisturize your hair. All those videos I've already made them on this channel, so you can go watch those other videos and see practically how I do them. So I just wanted to share with you this quick video on how you can maintain your protective style, and I have a video on how you can really care for your hair. There are many other little things I do I've not mentioned here. Please, I encourage you to watch that other video, and I'm going to link it here somewhere so you can just click and watch it. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe and join the family where we encourage each other to grow long, healthy hair, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.